What's up, everybody, ladies and gents out there? I just want to let everyone know, yes, I've been doing some remodeling around my apartments because I've been really busy today keeping house clean and focusing on, everything else. And gaming on my phone, making a little extra money on my PayPal so I can put that all in my bank. So yeah, I've been pretty busy lately. So I had to put stuff first and take care of stuff mostly. But tomorrow I'm gonna go grocery shopping at the food center. Probably get some meats in my freezer, and not just that. I need to get some important stuff as well. So, but next week after, around the 27th, I'm gonna get my birthday cake. It's a 2-tier cake, gothic, if you notice. But y'all gonna be surprised what it'll look like when on my birthday. So yeah, but y'all already know how old I'm gonna be. I'm not looking forward to it. 34. See you later, family on TikTok.